Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Lew's BB1 Pro. Absolutely love this reel. Very smooth. It's set you'll have minimal backlash. I bought for use as a Magnum crankbait reel but also works extremely well as a swimbait reel. The BB1 Pro features a premium 10 bearing system with double shielded ball bearings and a zero reverse anti-reverse. The reel has a one-piece aluminum frame with graphite side plates, and has a quick release side plate for easy maintenance. The externally adjustable 6-pin, 27-position quiet cast delivers an extreme range of braking power without the noise normally associated with centrifugal brake systems. Adjustments are easily made from free spool to maximum by simply clicking the reel's external dial to choose among the 27 variable cast control settings. Our second best swimbait reel is KastKing Spartacus fishing reel. I've been extremely impressed. So far I've only used it twice in the past couple days since I received it. Out of the box it was smooth and I took apart completely, greased and oiled everything accordingly before I even used it. Spartacus 2 was created with precision for lightweight and balance. Every gear's tooth is an engineering work of art. Like Spartacus, who required the most efficient tools of his trade, KastKing affordable innovation brings you that in Spartacus 2. Casting distance and overrun control is managed through the magnetic braking system combined with the spool tension control cap. Go beyond the limits with the new Spartacus 2 bait casting reel that is smoother, smaller, lighter, and more powerful than any other brand bait casters in its price range. Third in our list is Shimano Stradic fishing reel. This reel is what you would expect in this price range. The Hagen body lets you cast all lures and different weights while maintaining great control. The Hagane body is a metal reel body with high rigidity. The body stiffness and impact resistance virtually eliminates body flexing. The result transforms the angler's actions directly into cranking power. Its efficiency through strength provides improved gear durability. By supporting the pinion gear on both ends with bearings, the pinion gear maintains precise alignment with the drive gear. This means the gears will stay in the same position under the heaviest loads. The added benefit is that friction between the spool shaft and gear are eliminated. This will enhance the casting performance of the reel with lighter lures, and allow for longer casts. This drag material provides a wider range of drag settings, along with the smoothest Shimano drag performance ever. For details, let's watch more.
Never satisfied with good enough, Shimano always finds another way to improve your fishing experience. Introducing the new Shimano Stradic, the product of continuous evolution. Now with Shimano's Micro Module 2 cold forged gear, you'll experience a rotational smoothness and power transfer never before achieved in a reel at this price point. Couple Micro Module 2 with Silent Drive, which fine-tunes internal components to the highest tolerances possible, and you'll agree the new Stradic approaches flagship level performance. If casting distance is a priority for you like it is for most anglers, the upgraded long stroke spool will offer anglers increased casting reach due to the improved line flow from the spool. The C3000, 4000, and C5000 models come equipped with Shimano's cross-carbon drag system, designed to endure and conquer the most blistering runs from the most powerful fish. Shimano's X-Protect water repellent coating and specially designed water channeling labyrinth construction ensure a lifetime of top-level performance by stopping water penetration in key areas without adding a heavy rotational feel. Experience for yourself the benefits of continuous evolution with the all-new Shimano Stradic.
Number 4 in our best swimbait reel list is Collex XL3 Baitcast fishing reel. The Collex XL3 looked like a good value entry-level reel. The next best thing is the durability. I wrangled some decent size fish on this reel and it withstood the test. It is a solid reel. It is easy to tune to a specific lure. Separate drag, brake and spool tension knobs just like the expensive big boys. Plenty of videos out there on tuning Baitcaster. Rule-on drag system provides smooth, consistent drag pressure. Graphite side plates to increase strength and reduce weight. It is smoother, smaller, lighter, and more powerful. Our last pick is Daiwa Millionaire Baitcast Reel. This is a very smooth casting reel that works well with swimbaits. The Daiwa Millionaire Classic United Baitcast Reel possesses the sport fishing pedigree that warrants a modern interpretation. The updated Carbon Ultimate Tournament drag can exert 11 pounds of pressure. Combined with the high-strength alloy gears, the reel is well suited for the use of today's heavier rated braided lines. The machined aluminum spool is stopped instantly and accurately by the immutable Infinite Anti-Reverse. A3 bearing system guarantees long casts and endless free spool. The cutaway 100mm swept handle features a comfortable soft touch oversized knob. The 5.1:1 gear ratio round profile baitcasting reels are available in left and right hand models. With updated technology and modern features, the Daiwa Millionaire Classic United is a reel that will continue to forge bright memories in the annals of sport fishing.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!